Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Betty and today I went out to Ulta and bought some goodies. Let me show you what I got and then we'll start on a tutorial. Eyeliner, nude eyeliner from NYX. I got the Laura Geller Dewdreamer Illuminating Drops and in the color Gilded Honey. I also got this Revolution pencil. I actually got two. Got the one in light brown and medium brown. Two foundations. Yes, two foundations. So I grabbed the Clinique Super Balanced Makeup. And I've used this before. Okay, most of the products I haven't used. This is my first time using them. I do have this Clinique though. It's just I just needed to repurchase it. Got the new Maybelline Super Stay stick, and it looks like this. Now, so I'll probably be using this one just to test it out to see if I like it. Oh, actually no. Look, I got another foundation stick. It's from Revolution also, and I got the color. What color is this? F5 concealers. I got the Fit Me, Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I'll be using shade 10 from Revolution. Again, I wanted to try this out. It's the baking powder in banana. Looks like this. Hopefully, I like it. And another setting powder that I got, the Too Faced Born This Way. Another loose setting powder is the Fit Me. And I've heard really good things about this. I got it in the shade 10. And so I hope it's good. I picked up these two Morphe products. Well, this one's a highlighter and it's in the shade Spark. Please hold. Bronzer. So bronzer, and it's in the color Debutante. I don't know. We're gonna try that out. And I also picked up this Maybelline the Lemonade Craze. Lemonade, yeah, the Lemonade Craze. So we'll be doing a look on this with this palette today, and these were calling out to me. These are lashes. So these are the lashes. They're from PÜR. What caught my eye was that it said 230 wears, and I mean, when I got home, I went to my mail and I got my Birchbox and my Ipsy bag, and inside my Birchbox, right? Yeah, inside my Birchbox, the Benefit BADgal mascara was in there, so I'll be using that one. In the Ipsy bag, there was a Pixi Cosmetics really pretty blush and the color Beach Rose. So moisturize my face already, and I use the Tatcha the water cream. For primer, I'm gonna use the Tatcha Silk Canvas. They glide on they're very smooth. And for only like $5, I believe. I'm very messy when it comes to my brows, like how I start them, but I always clean them up with concealer, and that helps a lot. I'm done with this eyebrow. Let me go off camera, do my other brow, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna use my Morphe F13 brush, fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go in with the Sweet Tea. And it's this light brown color. I'm gonna use that as my transition color in my crease. Now I'm gonna go in with this Morphe E17. It's a darker brown color and Old Fashioned. We're gonna place that darker brown in the outer part of the eye. I'm only gonna bring it in about halfway. I don't wanna cover this area here going in with my Morphe F13 brush, I'm gonna go back in with no product added and just blend those two colors together. Going back and forth with those two colors, the Sweet Tea and Old Fashioned from the palette, and just blending both of them just so they can look nice and blended. Okay, I keep trying to blend out this Old Fashioned on both sides. I'm getting very blotchy on the corners. Like the rest of the eye looks pretty blended, but just on the outer part of the eye, I just can't get that to, it won't stick. It's just very blotchy. Okay, moving on, we'll fix it. I hope something makes it better. I'm gonna go in with the color Sunnies, which is this like pale color up here. And I'm just gonna grab that with a Morphe flat brush right here. I'm gonna go in with the E17 with whatever product's left on it, and I'm just gonna buff that where I put that white, just so I can blend. Grabbing that same flat concealer brush, I'm gonna pick up this color Citrus on the end here. It's a very shimmery pink, like rose gold color. I'm gonna wet it with my setting spray and pack that like right in the middle. Okay, with the same brush, but the other side, I'm gonna pick up the main squeeze color in the palette. It's like a gold color right here, and I'm gonna put that in the inside part of my eye. I'm gonna wet it. And I'm gonna go in back with that citrus color on the other side of the brush. Put some setting spray and intensify the color. I want to deepen up a little bit more on the outer corner, and in my Ipsy bag I got this Bang Beauty. It's a eyeshadow quad and it's called Smokey. So it's this right here, and it looks like this. So 3 shimmers and 1 matte. So I'm gonna go in with this dark matte color right here. This palette did give me a little bit of fallout, so I'm gonna grab my Kirkland face makeup remover towelettes and clean up under my eye here, so we can start doing the base. I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Superstay multi-use foundation stick in the color Natural Ivory 1112, and I'm gonna be using the Morphe Y6, a flat brush, to distribute all the foundation, and then I'm gonna go in with a beauty blender just to blend it out better. Oh, this is white. This is very white. Very, very, very white. No. Let me try to save this because it's very... Yeah, no, I hate this. Okay, I am not liking this foundation at all. Like, at all. It's breaking up on my nose. Big time. It's just not staying. Maybe I should use the different primer. Okay, and this Revolution foundation stick, I got it in the color F5. This is a little darker. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna blend this out and see if that works a little better. Okay, that Revolution stick foundation I do like. It did make it a little better. I'm gonna go in with my Fit Me Concealer and conceal my eye bags. I'm used to having something a little brighter. I'm gonna add a lighter, just a little lighter concealer down in this area. I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Shape Tape. I've been having this one, and I use the color Fair Beige. Yeah, there you go. I'm gonna use that Fit Me loose finishing powder in Fair Light and 10 to set under my eyes. I'm gonna blend out the concealer. I'm gonna do one eye at a time. So blend it out. And set. Okay, while I bake my under eye, I'm gonna grab the same Fit Me loose powder and I'm gonna grab my hourglass brush, and with the bigger end, I'm just gonna lightly set the rest of my face. Hello. I started doing my lash line already, and I'm gonna use those same Sweet Tea and Sweet Tea and Old Fashioned from the Maybelline palette. And I'm gonna go in with, first I'm gonna go in with the short shader brush, the E20 from Sigma. I'm going in with Old Fashioned in a M432. I'm gonna stamp that darker shade closer to the lash line. And then going in again with my blending E25 from Sigma, just blend that out. And I'm gonna go in with my NYX, Always Keeping It Tight. And this is in the color Nude. And I'm gonna line the waterline. I'm gonna grab the Benefit BADgal mascara, and I'm gonna apply a little bit on my top lashes. Okay, I'm gonna go and apply my lashes from PÜR that I purchased also, and I will be right back. To bronze up the face, I'm gonna use that Morphe Debutante bronzer, and I'm gonna use the Morphe E4. And with the same color, the same Morphe bronzer, I'm gonna snatch that nose. I look a little weird, but I'm just baking my nose so that my nose could look a little slimmer. A little bit of this Laura Geller. Shake it up. I'm just gonna do one drop with the bottom part of my beauty blender. I'm go in with my M510 from Morphe and apply it on top of that. I'm gonna go in with the Pixi Beach Rose, and I'm gonna pick that up with a Luxie 514 brush. Okay, I'm gonna grab my hourglass and dust off the bake on my nose. For lips, I'm going to use this Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil, and the color is Wherever Walnut. I lined and filled in my lips with the same lip pencil. I do like it this way, but I'm going to add a lighter nude in the center. I'm going to go in with this Dose of Colors liquid lip in the color Nude Chica, and this is from the I Love Sarai and Dose of Colors collab. This is the final look. If you guys like it, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. I will be uploading more videos soon, not just makeup tutorials. I want to do hair tutorials also. Please comment below and let me know what you guys would like to see, any reviews, any special eye looks that you guys would like to see. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.